Our Lord tells us in this Quran, if we could but see the wrongdoers on the day of judgment, just pointing at each other and blaming each other because they didn't believe. Oh, please, guys, open your eyes. Please. Allah sent to himself. He sent a guide for us. He sent the truth. He sent all the signs. Moses parted the seas. What else do you need to believe? What else do you need to believe? These tears are useless. We are so insignificant in this world. My tiny brain can't comprehend how big and how loving and merciful our Lord is. Come on, guys, you gotta wake up.